has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, then Zandt County in north-central Texas, north-central Henderson
Oh,
County
shoot,
in
there's a
central
tornado
Texas until
possible.
7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Eustis, or near Gun Barrel City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gun Barrel City, Maybank, Eustis, and Purtis Creek State Park around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Canton around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
There we go.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. The tornado warning for